Want to make money while you sleep? Digital products are still one of the easiest ways to earn passively in 2025, and you don't need to be a designer or influencer to do it. Here are 3 digital product ideas that practically sell themselves if you set them up right. 1. AI prompt packs. With tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney exploding, people are buying pre-written prompts for email marketing, blogging, YouTube scripts, and image generation. You can create these once and sell them over and over again on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. Use ChatGPT to help build them, organize by niche, and export as a simple PDF. You can price them anywhere from $5 to $25. 2. Notion templates. Productivity is hot, and Notion is at the center of it. Templates for finance tracking, habit building, content planning, and business systems are top sellers. You don't need to code, just build the template inside Notion, then share the duplicate link. Create a quick preview video or graphic and list it on Gumroad, Etsy, or even Reddit communities. Passive gold. 3. Printable planners and trackers. This is a bestseller on Etsy year-round. Think budget planners, fitness trackers, meal prep sheets, and study guides. Use Canva to design clean, aesthetic pages, then export as a PDF. Upload, set a price, and promote with Pinterest or short-form video content. Once they're up, you don't touch them, just collect the sales. Final thoughts. The best part about these products? They require 0 shipping, have no overhead, and once you've made them, they keep making money. You don't need a massive audience, just a good product, a smart listing, and a place to post it. So you've seen how simple products like prompt packs and planners can earn you passive income. But what if you want to take it to the next level? Today, I'm going to show you how to scale your digital product business with more profitable product types, advanced tools, and real strategies to build long-term income in 2025. Let's dive in. 1. Sell premium Canva templates. If you already know Canva, you're halfway there. But instead of just selling one-page planners, try building full business bundles. These are higher-ticket products that combine Instagram post templates, Reels covers business card layouts, lead magnets, slide decks. Package them together with a niche in mind, like real estate agents, coaches, or fitness influencers. Price them at $27 to $47 and sell them as a bundle. These products are in high demand and often go viral on Pinterest and TikTok. You can also create editable links for customers to modify inside Canva. No tech support needed. 2. Offer editable Notion dashboards. Basic Notion templates are great, but if you want to stand out, go beyond a single-use planner. Create full dashboards with income plus expense tracking, monthly review sections, goal setting with toggles, linked databases for clients' content or habits. You can charge $15 to $75 depending on how complete and premium the design is. Add an onboarding PDF or video tutorial, and you instantly stand out from 90% of sellers. If you're creative with your layout, this becomes a premium product people share. 3. Digital courses, mini format. Don't let the word course scare you. I'm not talking about a $500 program with 50 videos. I'm talking about mini digital courses, 30-60 minutes total, 3-5 lessons. No camera required, just slides, voiceover, or screen recording. Pick a skill like Canva basics, using ChatGPT, productivity systems, or even launching your first Gumroad product. Use tools like Loom or ScreenPal to record, then upload to Gumroad, Payhip, or StanStore. Price it at $19.59 and position it as a fast win. This is digital education without the burnout. 4. Niche prompt libraries for professionals. In part 1, I talked about general AI prompt packs. Now let's go niche. Build libraries specifically for real estate agents, fitness coaches, social media managers, Etsy shop owners, email marketers. Instead of just 20 prompts, offer 100, 300 plus categorized prompts with titles, use cases, and call to action examples. You can use ChatGPT to help organize and clean them. These go for $25 or $99, and you can upsell different versions based on industry. Pro tip: offer a light, free version with 10 prompts in exchange for email signups. 5. Resell commercial use digital assets. Yes, you can legally resell or remix some digital content when it's labeled for commercial use. This includes PLR, private label rights, ebooks, editable checklists, and swipe files, pre-written email sequences, royalty-free icons and mockups. Make sure the license is clear. You can customize, rebrand, and resell, or bundle multiple assets into your own branded digital toolkit. Sites like PLR.me, Creative Market, and Design Bundles are great places to start.
Want to double your income without doubling your work? Add an order bump or upsell to your product pages. Here's what that looks like. Let's say you're selling a Notion template for $15. You can add a Canva planner bundle for $12 as an add-on, a video tutorial showing how to customize everything for $9, or even a bonus vault of templates and icons for $17. This increases your cart value with almost no extra effort. Platforms like Gumroad and Payhip make it super easy to implement. This is how small creators go from $10 a day to $100 a day. But that's just the beginning. Let's take it further. Not everyone is ready to drop $50 on a digital product, but some people want more than just the $10 starter pack. So what do? Create pricing tiers. Here's an example. Basic template, $9, full toolkit, $27 premium package with video plus bonus, $49. Give buyers a choice, but make the middle tier look like the best deal. This is a classic sales tactic called price anchoring, and it works like magic. The low-tier product hooks them, the mid-tier converts most people, and the premium tier catches high-ticket buyers. Scarcity sells, but it has to feel real. Instead of fake countdown timers, try this. Offer a limited-time bonus like an extra mini template or tutorial. Use launch pricing for the first 50 buyers. Do a weekend flash sale through your email list. People are more likely to act when they feel like they're getting something exclusive, even if it's digital. Just keep it honest. You don't need to manipulate. You just need to create a reason to buy now, not later. Got a product that isn't moving? Bundle it with one of your best sellers. Example: if your prompt pack is your top seller but your checklist isn't, make a productivity starter kit that combines both for $20. Now that slow product becomes part of your ecosystem and starts earning passively. Bundling also increases perceived value, which allows you to charge more. The trick is in the positioning. Instead of selling parts, you're selling a solution. Most people forget this, but your thank you page is prime real estate. Once someone buys from you, they trust you. Use that moment to pitch a one-time offer like a bonus. Training for $19, a private group invite, a consulting call, or a coaching intro. Access to your full store at a discount. These post-purchase offers convert really well, and you don't even need a funnel builder. Just set it up as a redirect or custom thank you page. Here's an easy way to recover lost sales. Use abandoned cart emails. Tools like ConvertKit, MailerLite, or even Gumroad Pro allow you to send a follow-up when someone adds to cart but doesn't buy. Keep it simple. Forgot something? Still want that template? Here's 10% off. Here's what people love about it. These little reminders bring people back and increase your conversion rate by 15 to 30% without spending a penny. People buy when they trust you. And trust is built with proof, so start collecting customer testimonials, screenshots of your product in use, short preview videos or gift star ratings or written reviews. Even if you don't have sales yet, offer your product free to a few early users and ask for feedback. Add those testimonials to your product pages and emails. You'll instantly stand out from 90% of sellers who upload a PDF and disappear. One product is great, but what really grows your income is a product line. Every product you make should link to another. A freebie leads to a paid planner. The planner includes a link to your course. The course upsells a full system or vault. This creates a loop of value and keeps customers coming back. If someone buys once and loves what they get, they're 3x more likely to buy again. So think bigger than one PDF, build a system, and market it like a brand. You don't need a team to grow, you need better tools. Here's how to automate content around your products. Use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, email sequences, and FAQs. Use Pictory or Veed to make promo videos and tutorials. Use Canva to create social content, pins, and mock-ups. Use Typeframes or Opus Clip to turn product pages into shorts and reels. You'll look like a team of 5 while doing it all yourself. The more content you create, the more traffic flows back to your store. Your first product won't be perfect, and that's okay. Here's the real formula. Launch something small, collect data. What got clicks, what didn't. Improve based on real feedback, then scale with bundles, emails, and upsells. Most sellers fail because they launch once and quit. But if you treat every product like a test and keep learning, your second product will be better, your third will sell faster, and by the time you've made 5, you'll have a system. So now you've got your upsells, bundles, and automations in place. But how do you go from a couple of sales here and there to daily income, repeat customers, and real momentum? That's exactly what we're covering in this video. Let's talk about scaling your digital product income from a smart side hustle into a sustainable online business. 1. Build a brand around a niche, not just random products. If you want people to stick with you, your store can't feel like a digital garage sale. So instead of uploading random templates and trackers, focus on building around a niche. Pick a clear theme like productivity, business and marketing, wellness and self-care, AI tools, and automation content creation. Once you find your angle, design your visuals, product names, and even free content around that theme, you become known for something, and that's what builds trust. 2. Offer a free digital product as a lead magnet. Most creators skip this, but it's one of the most powerful ways to grow long-term. Offer something valuable for free in exchange for an email address, a sample version of your template, a mini guide, a bonus worksheet, a starter pack version of your paid product. Once you collect their email, you now have permission to market for free forever. Email sequences are where the real money happens. You can build relationships, offer exclusive drops, and drive repeat buyers without relying on algorithms. 3. Use evergreen content to drive daily traffic. Want traffic while you sleep? Use platforms that reward searchable content, like Pinterest, YouTube Medium. Your own blog with SEO, post tutorials, product demos, and case studies using keywords people are already searching for. Example: how I made $100 selling Notion templates. Passive income with Gumroad in 2025. Top digital products to sell with AI. These pieces work like digital billboards. They stay discoverable and keep bringing new leads to your store long after you post. 4. Add a link hub to all your platforms. If you're posting content, even once a week, make sure every piece of content drives people to a central hub. This could be a link tree, a stand store, a Notion landing page, or your own website. Your link hub should include your freebie opt-in, your best-selling product, your full store, your social links. This turns curious visitors into actual buyers without needing to DM or pitch anyone manually. 5. Turn one-time buyers into repeat customers. Selling once is good. Selling to the same person twice is where the magic happens. Here's how to encourage repeat sales. Send an automatic thank you email with a discount code for next time. Add buyers to a VIP email list with exclusive drops, offer product credits or bundles for returning customers. Send a bonus file a few days after purchase with a soft upsell inside. The goal isn't to pressure, it's to make them feel appreciated and excited to buy again. It's 5x easier to sell to someone who already trusts you than to win over a brand new customer. 6. Track what's working and cut what's not. This one's underrated. Pay attention to your analytics. On Gumroad, PayHip, or any platform, check what products get the most clicks, what has the best conversion rate, where your traffic is coming from, what days or times your sales spike. Use this data to guide your next move. If a freebie is getting thousands of downloads but low upsells, tweak the upsell. If one TikTok is sending a ton of traffic, make 3 more like it. You don't need to guess. The data will literally show you what's working. 7. Final strategy, launch a signature product. Once you've made a few solid products, it's time to combine your knowledge into one premium offer. This could be a full business toolkit, a niche starter kit, a signature template system, a step-by-step video course with downloads included. Price it higher, $47s, $97s, even $197 depending on value. You only need a few of these sales per month to completely change your income. And best of all, you already have warm leads from your freebie, your small products, and your emails. Now you're not just selling digital files, you're selling a full transformation. Final thoughts. You don't need a huge following. You don't need to be viral. You just need a clear niche, a value ladder of products, a simple content plus email flow, and consistency over time. That's the real strategy behind a digital product business that lasts. Keep improving, keep launching, keep showing up. Because the more you build, the more your income builds with it.